So I'll just continue from there. So Python operators. So multiply 10 with 5. What is the symbol I have to use here? Can you tell me once? Please keep your chat box ready. List also over, done. Okay. Then tuple also. I think operators you have done. List. Okay, not done. Okay, fine. So 10, you have to keep your star symbol. Okay. Star symbol is called as what? What is the meaning in the English? I think I have told what is the meaning of star in the English. Can you type it once? Asterisk symbol, yes or no? Asterisk. So you can say star or you can say asterisk symbol. Okay, click on submit answer. Then, so in the Python, if you want to divide, you'll be using the divide symbol. And in the Python, whenever I divide, I will be getting my answer in terms of float. Okay. Then I want to check the apple is there in this list or not there. So which I'll use here, membership operator called as in operator. Then use the correct comparison to check if phi is not equal to. So not equal to exclamation mark equal to symbol. Yeah. Use the correct logical operator to check if at least one of two statements is true. So if any one means what, you have to use an or. If they say both should be true, then we have to use and. Okay. Now print the second item in the fruit list. So fruits, second item is what? 1. Then change the value of apple to kiwi in the fruit list. Fruits, 0 position is apple. I have to keep it what? Kiwi. Okay. Next. Use the append method to add orange to the list. So how to use fruits dot append, use the normal brackets, type the orange. This orange is going to get added at the end of the list. Okay. Use the insert method to add lemon as a second item in the fruit list. So fruits dot insert at what position? Second item, na? Second item is what? I have to pass 1, comma 0, 1, na? Second item. Next, use the remove method to remove banana from the fruit list. Fruits dot remove. I have to keep in single quote or double quote, both are fine. Close the bracket. Next, use negative indexing to print the last item in the list. How can I get the last item? By keeping in the square bracket -1. Okay. Next, use a range of indexes to print third, fourth, and fifth item. Third, fourth, and fifth means what? 3 to 5 or 3 to 6? 0, 1, 2. So 2 to 6. That will give me item from third, fourth, and fifth there. Not coming. Yeah. 2 to 6 not coming here. 0, 1, 2. Fifth item. 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 2 to 5. Correct. Next. Use the correct syntax to print number of items in the list. How? Length of fruits. That will give me the answer as 3. Now, tuples. So can you tell me the first answer now? Keep your chat box ready. What is the first answer? Fruits in the square bracket is 0. Why 0? Because I want to get the first item. The first item is at the index position what? 0. Next. Use the correct syntax to print number of items in the fruits tuple. Same again, length of fruits. By this, you can know the length of fruits, which is what? 3 again. Then use negative indexing to print the last item in the tuple. Fruits, square bracket, -1. Then Use the range of indexes 3rd, 4th, and 5th again. Same 2:5. Now coming to set again there. Okay, which topic now? Set. Check if apple is there or not there. Curly bracket with some values is called as what? A set. Empty curly bracket is called as what? Can you tell me once? What is the meaning of empty curly bracket? What is the meaning of empty curly bracket? Dictionary, na? Empty curly bracket is dictionary. So I'll just check there if apple is there in the set or not there. So if apple in operator I'm using there, so answer variable. Okay. Okay. Use the add method to add orange to the fruit set. So fruits dot add in the single quote or double quotes orange. We can add this item to the set. Okay. Use the correct method to add multiple items, more fruits to the fruit set. So how can I add more items? So more underscore fruits dot add fruits. Close the bracket. Is it correct? Or something is missing? If I click submit, it won't run here. Something is missing. Yeah, what is answer this one? Multiple items. Now, how will you add multiple items? Can you use the method extend? See, one is set, one is what? List. I have to use a method called as extend. Coming there again, no. Append. No. So how you can check the answer again there? Click on show answer there. What is coming there? Update. So here we have two types of updates. In the case of list, if I want to add element at the end of the list, I'm using what? Append. In the case of set, if one is set, one more is also set. If I want to add, what I'm using there? Add. Okay, just first exercise there. See here. First or second, I think. Second one. Yeah. In the second one, what is saying? They use the add method to add orange to the fruit set. So what I'm doing, the fruits dot add I'm using. The single brackets orange. So this orange will be getting added to this set. But here the third exercise, what is saying there now? Use the correct method to add multiple items. To add multiple items, what I have to use? More underscore fruits is the variable name dot update fruits. So this 4 more fruits will be added to this what? Fruits. Yeah, here fruits. Here more underscore fruits. Next, use the remove method to remove banana again. Same. Fruits dot remove single quotes and double quotes banana. Next, discard method. Fruits dot discard banana. So in the case of discard, what happens if the value is there, will get removed. In the case not there, will give back me the same result. Submit answer. Next, dictionaries. What is dictionary? Left side is called as what? Keys. Right side is called as what? Values. So dictionary is a combination of key value pair. Now I want to print what here now? Use a get method to print the value of the model of the car dictionary. So car dot model of, or you can write like this car dot get Here in the brackets, single quotes or double quotes model. Okay, run once. Okay, so here what you're doing there is simply there. I have a car variable name. Inside the car, I'm having many keys and values. So I want to get this model. So what I'm using there, car dot get. In the open the bracket, single quotes or double quotes, I am typing a string there. What is a string model? So it will print the answer as Mustang if I print it. Same, change the value year from 1964 to 2020. How? Car dot year. Something missing. Just keep your what? 2020. But here something else will come there more. Can I keep in a square bracket? Run once, it should not work. Change the year value 1964 to 2020. Dono you can click on show answer, okay, but simple there. Already from the previous exercise, whenever you see the keys in the form of strings, you keep this also in the water strings. I can use single quote or I can use what? Double quote. Both are same. Next, tell me this one now. Car dot add the key value pair is saying there. Add the key value pair. This I want there. Suppose here what? Red. Here colon. Here what? Color. Color suppose in the single quotes or double quotes. Will work? No. Red also in the quotes. Okay, no? Still more. Yes, opening brackets. Now run the code. No. Open the brackets where? Here, car, open brackets, red. Just keep the what? Normal brackets. You have to keep the what? Square brackets, car of color equal to red. This new key value pair will be added, but it is not the correct way. Okay, we are having the correct way. We have set default, we have default. Both are there. Next, use the pop method to remove model. So I think in the previous list exercise you didn't see model there. Pop. We are having the pop method in the list also, and even in the dictionary also, and even in the set topic also. In the case of list, if I use pop method, it is going to remove the last key, last item from the list. Example, here last item is what? 1964. This total value will be removed. In the case of set, it will remove the random element. In the case of dictionary, I have to pass the method name. So example, car dot pop. Which method you want to pop? Model. Like this I have to do there. When you're starting the topic, you'll be understanding the total concept there again. Next one. Use the clear method. So car dot clear. What will be the answer if I try to print and see? Empty curly bracket is the dictionary. Now, if else, what have to keep here? If greater than symbol, colon. There should be any space or no space? Space. At least how many spaces? At least how many spaces? At least one space. Then your code will work. Print hello world if A is not equal to B. If not equal to colon. That's it. Print yes if A is equal to B, otherwise no. So if A double equal to B, colon, else colon. So remember one thing here, if and else should be in the same alignment. This else should not be inside. This else and if should be what? At the same alignment. But this print should be what? Inside. Okay. Yeah. Next. If A is equal to B, double equal to or single equal to A? Double equal to B, colon, elif A greater than B, A greater than B, colon, else colon. So if A is equal to B, print 1. If A is greater than B, we'll print this one. Or else we'll print last what? 3. Now, print hello if A is equal to B and C is equal to D. What I have to keep here? Simply just keep here what? And. Okay. Print hello if A is equal to B or. Already in the question there, so keep here or. Now, how many space I have to keep here? One space. Indentation. So submit answer. Next. Here also how many space again? One space. Still something missing here. Use the correct shorthand syntax to put the following statement on one line. So you can keep in the one line like this also, but not recommended. Next. Use the correct shorthand again here. Colon. To write the following condition expression in one line. So you can write the code like this also, but totally saying in one line. This how many lines now? 2 lines. He doesn't want 2 lines. He wants in one line. In one line, the answer will be totally different. See answer, show answer. So first type in the what? Print yes. If 5 is greater than 2, or else will print what? No. Now tell me the answer here. First what I have to print now? Print yes. If 5 is greater than 2. Else print no. To write in one line. If else we can write in one line also by using this logic. Print yes. If what? 5 is greater than 2. Else will print what? No. Something missing. Space. The space also they are counting. Okay, but in the VS Code, the code will work. Now, while loop. So while I greater than 6, I less than 6, colon, print I. This program you have to try once. Okay, once you are finishing the data types, which is strings, strings, list, tuples, and dictionary, then you are coming to the while loop. Okay. Now run the code. Next. Stop the loop if I is 3. To stop, we have to using what? Break. In the loop, when I is 3, jump directly to the next iteration. We have to use your continue. What will happen if you try to suppose this 3 is there? Example, I want to print 1 to 10. If I write this code, 3 will be missing. I'll get 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, but 3 will not be coming there. So continue will act like what? Jumping there. Okay, you have to see this all practically then. Then print a message once the condition is false. So use the what? Else. We can use else with the help of while also, with the help of if also. Now, for loops, for x in fruits, colon. So whatever there in the fruits here will be printed in the line by line. First it will come apple, next line banana, next line cherry. In the loop, when the item value is banana, jump directly to the next item. Continue. Okay. To jump, always remember you have to use continue. Next, for X in range, in the range not mentioned na, 6 items. So you have to keep your what, how much? 7. Sometimes you have to keep 7 also and try. You have to keep even what? 6 also and try. Why? Because when you say range of 6, it will start from 0 onwards. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are coming there? 7. So sometimes you have to keep 7 and 6. Both are there, confusing there. So I told 6 here to keep 6 there. It starts from 0 or what? I will start from 0 only. When I say range of 0, na, when I say range, suppose like this, na, 6 or 5. For that, we should have to mention particularly. Suppose if I keep 5, na, it means starting from 0. If I want to start from 1 comma 5, it is going to start from 1. Okay, we'll come there also. So here keep now 6 only. Now, fruits in apple so and so, if X equal to banana, exit the loop. How to exit? Break. Now, come the Python functions. How? Define a defa. Def. I think it's good or not to start the functions. Okay. Just you'll see that at least 6 programs. We'll stop there. Okay, because we have to first again come back to these topics to understand the reality practical part. Okay. So def my underscore function. This brackets. That's it. So I think when you started HackerRank, you're seeing the programs in this way only. Okay, mostly you'll be seeing in this way only. Like def my underscore function bracket. So this topic is where you can see once here Python functions. After completing data types, comments, everything, Boolean operators, the functions, loops, everything, then you are getting the functions topic there. But when you're starting HackerRank or code anything, starting is there or last is there? Starting. That is already a difficult reality part. So if you study all these topics now, it will be useful for getting in the HackerRank. But suppose after completing this topic, example, till now we didn't study HackerRank, suppose. After completing this course, I'll say, or after completing these topics, you start HackerRank. Will it be useful? No. Why? Because suppose if you're driving a cycle, until you fall, you don't know what is the meaning of driving a cycle. Similarly, you're starting a HackerRank, you came to know where you're getting stuck. Why not able to solve the questions? What is happening there? Indentation, error, what is it you're coming to know now? But if I tell after the topic, there is maybe a chance you may copy and paste or just what Butify. But already if you see, you'll now able to focus there. Next one. Execute a function. How will you execute? By calling a function, my underscore function. That's it. Now move. Next. Insert a function with 2 parameters, print the first name. Keep your what? F name. Simple. One F name because I want to pass only first parameter. Here now, let the function return the X parameter less 5. Return correct X plus 5. Simple. If you don't know the number of arguments, keep your what? Star. Okay. There. If you don't know how many keywords are there, keep your what? Double star. We'll see this practical again. Okay. So we have done till what? Lambda also will solve once. So X equal to lambda. Create a lambda function that takes 1 parameter A and returns it. A star A. Try once, just simply try once. Not correct. Show answer. What is there? What I have kept here? Star. Because I have to return, so I have to keep here what? Colon there. So in the case of lambda, we'll be using the colon mostly. Submit. Then you have class and inheritance also. Okay. For class, we like this short class only. Class. My class, so and so value. Create an object of my class called P1. So P1 equal to my class. Then keep the bracket. use the P1 object. So P1 dot x, because now instead of calling my class dot x, I can just call P1 dot x. Will print the value as what? 5. Next, what is the correct syntax to assign init? 2 times underscore init underscore. Init is nothing but starting. Okay.
In HackerRank first that line will be there.
Will be there first time. This will be there because it is a class of classes. That's why I want to study this part now first. Why? Because if you are when you're going to HackerRank, mostly in the company, remember every time they'll ask HackerRank and W3 schools. 2 compulsory. So here, what is the correct syntax to create a class name student? Class student that will inherit properties and methods from a class name person. Class student dot person, you keep months. Brackets will come. No. Okay, just keep person there. Run months should not work. Next, person dot student, you keep. Create a class name student that will inherit the properties and methods from a class name person. Why? That much line will come there. Person dot student, you keep there like this. Simply student of person. Okay, our logic will be same, but don't go for answer. First study do both the ways, then you'll get there. So first I'll again keep person, then we'll keep student there. This will work there? No, because the class name you should told what there, keep a student, but I kept as what there, person. This should not work. So again I'll try there. First I'll keep student, then I'll keep a person there. But by solving these 2 questions, we can't say I know inheritance. Okay, there are nearly, I think, around 15 programs or 10 programs you have to do. That is our OOPS concept. Okay, by solving these 2 programs, we cannot say we know inheritance. Well, these programs will be there. Don't worry by seeing this question like these programs. They're there. But not now. Will because other people get confused. There are 5 types of inheritance. Okay. So here what I have to keep the simply x equal student Mike. We have to use the student. So what is the correct syntax to execute the print name method to the object x? Print name. Sex dot print name. X is already created there. Sex dot print name. Next, last is what there? Modules. What is the correct syntax to import a module? Import. Then, if you want to refer to a model, how will you refer? As, because every time I cannot write my model. Example, you are having a big name. What you'll do in the class in the school, so you'll give a nickname. Similarly, instead of giving a name as my model, I want to give the name as what? MX. Okay. What is the correct syntax of printing all variables and function names of the my model? dir my underscore my just model, no underscore is there. Close the bracket. dir. Last one. What is the correct syntax of importing only the person one dictionary of the my model module? Import from. Import. So I want to import what? From my model, import this what there? Person one. That's it. So this total today I want in the group. How many questions totally? 95 questions. You have to log in, take the screenshot of the all the answers you have done. Okay, don't forget to log in. So today you log in, start all the exercise part, all 95 questions, finish it and keep in the group. Only screenshot.
All screenshots.
How can you keep 95? First question screenshot, second question screenshot. If you log in, then you will be getting your account name here. If you log in, you will be getting a login name, everything there will come there. 95 questions solved will come there. That screenshot you have to keep in the group. Okay, that's for today's task. Which one? That also there. I'll tell you this one there. Python keys. You can type here. W3 schools Python keys. 25 questions only. We have 3 minutes. I think we can do it. Start the Python keys. How?
Hello.
Print hello world. Next, how is single line comment? Hash. Not legal.
First one.
First one, hyphen is not legal. How do you create a variable with numeric value 5? X equal to int 5 or both? Both. What is the correct file extension? .py. How do you create a variable? Both. Next, type of third one. Def my function. Hello, same. Correct syntax should it be the first character.
Second.
Remove white space from the both starting and ending. String. If I want everything in uppercase, third one, just what? Upper. If I want in the lower, replace the string. How to replace it? Replace. For multiplication, asterisk. Compare values, double equal to. List is what? Last one. Tuple, first one. Set, first one. Dictionary, first one. Which collection is ordered, changeable, analogous, duplicate members? List. Okay. Which collection does not allow duplicate members? Set. How do you start writing an if statement in Python?
First one.
First one.
No. Third one.
Third one. Okay, variables, then keep colon there. How do you start a while loop? Third one. Then how do you start for a for loop? Stop a loop. Okay, like this again, you'll get a screenshot. Take the screenshot and keep in the group. So today you have to do the quiz programs and the exercise part of the W3 schools and keep it in the screenshot in the GitHub also and in the WhatsApp group also. Then we can start with the strings part or whatever it is. Okay, let me stop here.